Okay, here is a cold start on the 2004 Victory Kingpin. Sorry about the wait on the video, guys. Just do a little walk around before flip that key on while I'm right here. Show you guys too, there are no front signals like I mentioned. Some of you have asked. This does have hazard lights here. I'm going to put those on so you can see the rear blinkers are working. Let's turn those off. There's the dash, 38,610 miles. Okay. Gas cap does have some, it's not really oxidation, it's almost like the paint, it's just come off over time. Yeah, let's fire it up. Usually it doesn't need much choke. There is a choke on these, even though they are fuel injected. From what I understand, it just advances the butterflies a little bit. I don't know much more than that, unfortunately. Yeah, let's fire her up. If you can hear me, I don't want to rev it too high just because it's cold, but well guys, there it is. Starts right up. I did take it for about a 2-mile ride today up the road. Ran great, stops great. Goes through all the gears fine. Really nice bike for the price I'm asking. Anyways, any more questions, you guys get back to me. Let me know. Thanks for your time.